If you want to use Circle to Search on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can simply press and hold your finger on the navigation bar if you use gestures for navigation. And in case you use buttons for navigation, you want to press and hold your finger on the home button instead. And if you hold it for like a second or two, then you should be able to activate the Circle to Search overlay. Now you can just draw a shape around the subject that should be used as a reference in Google search. So let's say I'm going to select this area over here. As you can see, it is now selected and I have Google search results. Even some AI overview is over there. I have some visual matches, so this is what you can, of course, use. In case the area that is used as a reference is selected not properly, if you want to adjust it, you can easily do so by grabbing by one of these corners. And there we go, we can extend the selected area quite easily. Besides that, you can also just simply tap on an area and then the feature might be able to recognize the area that you might want to use as a reference. Other than that, of course, we can also search for exact matches and visual matches, so be sure to check that out if needed. Now, in addition to that, Circle to Search comes with additional features, like for example, we have the song search option, which allows you to get the song title if you don't know the name of the song that you that you hear right now. Then of course you can try to get the song title over here. If the Circle to Search feature detects it, then you will get Google search result with the song title and of course the artist as well. Besides that, one more feature is the screen translation. So over here we have this translate button, which allows you to translate the content of the screen that you currently see from the detected language to the target language that of course you can choose. In case the source language is detected incorrectly, you can still change it. You just have to tap on it and then you can choose the source language. Besides that, Circle to Search on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 allows you to enable scrolling. So if you tap on this hand with an arrow, then you activate the screen translation with the option to scroll up and down. So in case you want to keep translating the screen, but you have like a long website or something, then you can easily just keep scrolling down and after a couple of seconds, the screen updates by itself if you don't do anything. So as you can see, I can keep scrolling down and after a couple of seconds, the screen is translated. So of course, very useful feature, especially if you often visit websites or if you use apps that are not in your language. Of course, Circle to Search can be disabled in settings. So if you press and hold the navigation bar or the home button and you cannot activate Circle to Search, then you have to open settings, then go to display settings. Then here in display settings, we need to find the navigation bar option. And then here you need to make sure that Circle to Search is enabled, of course, if you want to use it. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.